driving around two carbon fiber Sennas. This one needs gas. It has 79 miles on the car, so I'm counting every 0.1 mile. We're literally trying to move it only feet, not miles. So we're gonna try to drive it as many feet necessary, least feet necessary. Transport truck is literally maybe 30 feet out of the entrance of the shop. So we're gonna try to put only about like 100 feet on this car. We'll see. But we're putting gas right now. Believe it or not, it's on the driver's side. Most European cars are on the passenger side, but it is on the driver's side. So putting some gas so we don't run out of gas on a Senna.
Where are my fingers?
Very gently, because like I said, the body is all carbon fiber. So we gotta protect it with our bodies and fingers.
If I let it go, it's gonna touch the carbon, so I'd rather just ruin
But
my
anyways, we have the other Senna loaded up. That one's been driven on the track many times by our friend Zane. And we also did a lot of red accents all over it, clear bra, whatever. This car is bone stock. We're gonna be doing red accents on it too, but we haven't gone to that yet. We have the matte black SF90 Spider loaded on the transport truck as well. And we're gonna drive the red and green one, SF90s, to the studio, which is pretty close. So loading the 3 cars on the transport truck, driving the 2 cars, taking 4 hours out of our day today at a studio. We never really do this to show off these amazing machines.
$40 just starts the car.
Exhale.
2 Senna's carbon and a SF90 Spider. Thankfully we have this badass truck.
Remember, I don't know if you guys seen the podcast. I said no one gets fired here. They just show up again. This guy's one of them, bro. He's got fired 18 times. He just shows up in the morning with a bagel. Good morning, guys. What cars do you want me to clean?
He fired me when I was trying to fix my van.
Really?
Yeah, I was down and he kicked me down more.
We have to take the freeway. There's no other way, bro.
Street.
I love this.
It's next to the college. You know how to get a college?
Bro, we have to take the freeway.
College?
26 minutes, not bad. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Cut it that way, yeah, and then go back. Hold on.
As you recall, this one behind me, we did a few months ago. This was actually exactly like that one. None of these red accents were on there. We wrapped all these red accents for the customer to give it a little bit more pop and flair, because it's all carbon. It's just, very dark, obviously. Not that it's wrong, but with the red, it looks really, really mean. The other Senna, our good buddy Shaliz just purchased, and it has 79 miles on the dashboard. So delivery miles Senna right here, and it's flawless, it's beautiful. We don't know what Shaliz is gonna do with it. We don't know if he's gonna garage it or drive it. It does have 79 miles, so it's a little bit scary to drive. But both full exposed carbon fiber, both have the gold plated engine bay in the back, the heat shields. So they're heavily spec'd Sennas. These things are very scary to drive, honestly, just because there's so much carbon fiber inside and out, and there's glass everywhere. So it gives you that little factor of that exposed feeling, and you're driving such a big carbon fiber body, it's scary. So really, really magnificent cars. A lot of people I know don't like how they look, but in person, I tell you guys, spectacular, looks amazing, and they are purposeful. They are very, very good track cars. So yeah, we're gonna right now get these 2 out of the way, and we're gonna shoot the 3 SF90 full modified cars that you guys saw on our channel before. And all 3 of them are together. We're super happy to have them. We're gonna try to get you guys some epic shots of them.
Out of the shop?
It's great.
Feel like you're better out of the shop?
Yeah.
Feel like you're out of jail or something?
Yeah, I was gonna say I feel more free, and
You think life's Monopoly? You just get out of jail for free?
you gotta have the free card though. If you don't, then
You got a free card?
yeah, today I did.
Yeah, dude, come
Hey,
on.
man.
Got the 3 SF90s finally together. 2 spiders on the end and 1 coupe in the middle. This is obviously the infamous Verde Francisca. That is the Rosso Scuderia, and that is the standard black SF90. That one has a full satin clear bra paint protection film. This one has a regular paint protection film, just like the red one. All 3 of these cars have very similar mods. They all have the Rift carbon fiber kit, the entire kit. This coupe actually has the roof as well. The spiders do not have the carbon roof because they are movable, so no roof for that. This SF90's hybrid battery is low, so it started itself because the car was technically on, but in electric mode. So it has a mind of its own. Like I said, they all have the Rift kit, the wings, diffusers. The green one has Novatec side skirts. The other 2 have the Rift side skirts, but they all have the front components as well, the fenders, all that. Red one has BBS LMs. The green one has the RDB signature wheels, and the black one have the Velos wheels. So all 3 have different wheels. They all have the lowering suspension. The green one and red one have the KW lifter because they didn't come with the lift. The black one has it already. So you will never see anywhere else SF90s modded like this together in these colors as well. The Verde Francisca is probably one of 2 or 3 SF90s in that colorway, and it's very special. We love this car. But yeah, we're putting it to the poll again. Did a poll online once. I think the red one won, but since they're all together now, you guys comment below, let us know which one you like the most. Pick one of these 3. Let me know which one you guys like.
Whole thing opens.
Joey right here. Sell your company name.
We're an outfit called Air Autosport out of San Francisco. Specialize in transport, storage, a lot of track.
So anybody that needs to transport their cars from the Bay Area up north down to LA, Vegas, stuff like that, right? You do all that stuff.
All West Coast, some cross country for special clients.
He's got one of the baddest trailers I've ever seen.
I know, that's
like
sick.
It's legit one of the easiest, safest loads I've ever done. Takes literally 30 seconds. Yeah. So really crazy. We're loading up 2 Sennas and an SF90 on it to take it back to the shop. He's gonna take the 2 cars back to the customer. Customer was nice enough to get the cars picked up last night and bring it in the morning, and now it's going back to him in the Bay Area. So yeah.
Dang.
Day trips, we get it done.
Yeah, we get it all done.
Jeez.
Pretty nuts.
Because these cars, particularly when they came out, I was like, oh, how are we gonna move them? You can't open the door.
plates. He's looking at both of you guys right now. Oh no, he's not. Oh yeah!
So good to be back home.
I don't know how you guys didn't get pulled over.
What did we do?
I don't know, but he was like sitting behind you guys forever.
We didn't do anything wrong.
Well, you have no plates.
We're in 2 Ferraris. It's obvious what we're doing. We're not trying to commit a crime or drive
I know, but
fast.
still, he was behind you guys for like a long time.
Yeah, well, he's doing something illegal. He's tailing.
That's right. He was snoring.
Rollers on the freeway. Joe hated it.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Haha!